Seems. Last day in Hong Kong. Yes. We're gonna go to Macau.
Recall your memories and give you some idea. Since you tell me you have to exchange your money. In fact, day one, when I exchange your money.
So first stop, Avenue of Stores. So we're gonna get a group picture first. Here's Bruce Lee. And there's a Starbucks. Fortune Jewelry. So Tita Ness bought one for herself. Can you open it? So ito yung ating boodle again today. So ayan, 120 daw to. Go. Wow, ang ganda. Gusto ko to, ang ganda na ito. Nail cutter. Souvenir shop. South Sea Center. Hong Kong souvenir shop.
You try first. You see whom you give it to. If you said no, I don't share with others, only for myself. This one enough already. 160 Hong Kong.
So we're just walking, going to our lunch venue. So may Van Cleef, Miu Miu, meron din Imperial Armani, Hermes, Moncler, Dolce & Gabbana.
So sharp.
Wow, the palace.
Sir, give me tissue. You have tissue? Tissue. Hiraman. That's soy song. Di kaya. Pala ng rice.
Ayaw niya sa itlog. Prada, Gucci, Divi.
Doon malilim kasi pagka mainit airport na tayo.
Susundo ba sa atin? Ito yung Wongping.
Super init. Bawat sa araw. We're on our way to Macau. By bus na. Kasi pwede ka na mag-bus from Hong Kong to Macau. In distance para mga 40 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes. Yun nga lang, pag hapon kayo, anong oras na ba? Ang oras na ay, alas 3. Siguro pag mga hapon, dapat doon kayo sa right side upo. Kasi ang init dito sa left side. Welcome to Macau. Macau. Nasakay na kami ng bus going to our hotel.
Umiikot pa sila. Tapos pumupunta rin.
Let's go, let's check the room. Wow, banyo agad. Uy, may ano pa. So, we have twin bed. Dito na ako ta. Alam mo naman, gusto ko sa ano. So, may ano pa. Pwede pa matulog yung isa dito. Twin bed. Tapos, overlooking ng dingding. Then, saksak natin ito. Yun. Tapos toilet. Ang ganda. Ang laki ng pag ano. Kaibahan dun saan natin. Una nating room. So, ayan. Merong tea. 2 peraso. Bottled water. Merong cabinet. Tapos toiletries. Yan, may shampoo, body wash. We're just walking. We're looking for something to eat. Itanes. Uy, Haggard yarn. Haggard. Beef noodles.
26 lang yata yan.
26.
Wow.
Wow!
Chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken.
Mukhang masarap. Pero rice talaga yung ina-expect ko eh.
Hindi ba yun ang in-order mo?
Ikot-ikot lang.
Or lang? Beberya ka pa ba?
Yeah.
Meron pa tayo na doon. Mga ganito. 3. Huh?
Wow, sarap. Congee. Congee.
Ano daw?
Surprise.
Ng ambulance. Tapos ang sabi ng ambulance, pagkatapos yung
Si ang CG. Naging ano, kargador.
Meron kami bagong kargador.
Kargador si Ang.
Chinese porcelain, Chinese pearl. Pearl, that means the round one in the shell. And also the Chinese silk cloth. They are very
Welcome to ano yan? Lotus flower. Golden lotus flower na binigay ng China
1999.
nung 1997.
1997 yung sa ano? Hong Kong.
Oo, basta yun.
1999 to 2 years after.
Pakita ko sa inyo. Kung yung sa Hong Kong, ano yun, Bohemian, ewan ko ba, Bohemia ba yun? Yung flower na yun. Sa kanila naman lotus. That's the lotus golden flower. On the way to St. Paul Ruins. Siya nga nakapayong. Yung guide nakapayong na kagad eh. There's a ruin. So galing kami sa likod. Ang pangit kasi ginagawa yung ano. May part na ginagawa.
And then that is my point by its cost.
Sayang, ginagawa yung ano. So nag-take lang kami ng pictures tapos balik na kami kasi mas trip namin mag food trip.
Okay na yung ganyan. Kaya ito. Pala sa isa.
Fortunes, so actually today we are really lucky. Yesterday when I
Anong temple daw? Second stop, dyan kami pupunta. Picture taking lang. Gusto ko matry McDonald's. I want the McDonald's. Mamaya try ko dumaan dyan. Umapit sa rice.
Sa kanya big.
especially Macau is very famous for tourists, right? So they suggest do like that. Please kindly have a look on your right hand side. Inside the casino area, but inside the gambling area, everywhere you may take photos, everywhere you may take video. Only
Ganda. Na-display yung mga bag nila dito. Oh.
Lumalabas tayo. Pero yung weather na to talagang ano. Hindi yan. Don't say bad words.
ba sa binigyan?
Meron akong tiyo.
Sabi ko extra.
Kaya...
Phase 5. Now, Phase 6 is under construction. So you will find that, oh, very beautiful, right? And then this one, they are 5-star hotel. 5-star hotel. The golden color, actually, that is our W Hotel. W Hotel. It's great color, looks like a castle. That is Grand Lisboa Palace Casino. And this one, Londoner Casino, is famous for their London bus, London taxi, and also London Big Lion. Big Lion, which is golden color. That is the logo of MGM. Here on your right hand side.
MGM.
Only the regular fountain only. The fountain show will be held at night time,
Oh, this is the dragon.
I think the cable cars maybe they are our airport. Although Macau has our own airport, but the airline is only for Asian. Not for international. They call it international.
Inom ka na?
Nakain ko ng pork chop bun. Ayun na yung kinakain ni Mami. Pork chop bun. Patingin nga ng pork chop bun.
Ayun, ha?
Pork chop bun. Yan, simple lang. Pork chop, tapos tinapay. Yun na yun. Uwi na, hindi na masaya. We're going home.